Jessica Hyllaree. I've operated a salon in Manhattan for almost 15 years, designing custom hair extensions, hairpieces, and wigs. About 5 years ago, I married a wonderful man from North Carolina, and we had 2 beautiful daughters, and opened a second location in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. I still travel back and forth each week. I don't mind the traveling because I love what I do. Hair loss is so emotional. So many of my clients have come to me in deep depressions and experiencing so much trauma from losing their hair. I try to provide a comfortable, private, safe, special place where they can come and tell me their story and cry if they need to. And then we start looking for options that will help restore their self-esteem. The most important thing that a client wants in a topper or a wig is that it looks extremely natural. The hairpieces and wigs that I design, it literally looks like the hair is coming out of the scalp. It's remarkably natural looking. The hair can be worn back in a ponytail, it can be worn in braids, it can be pulled back, worn down.
I started losing my hair when I was about 12. It started to get worse and worse until the point where I wouldn't go out in public without a hat or a scarf. My mom and I had discussed looking for a wig. My mom met Jessica. She came out, she gave us like a big hug, and she was like, "Rachel, I've heard so much about you, I'm so excited to meet you." The first time that I left the salon with the wig on, I wanted to just like run up to every person and was like, can you tell? Like, can you tell this is a wig?
And you could have stopped taking selfies.
No, I could not. It was like the best day. I could not tell this is a wig. I can wear it like in a bun, in a ponytail, in a braid. You can curl it, you can straighten it. I mean, pretty much any style you can do with normal hair, you can do with this hair. I didn't want to do it at first, and I tried it, and it really changed my life.
My name is Heather. I am 22 years old. I have a stress-related condition that causes you to pull out your own hair. I'm not kidding when I say that before I met Jessica, there were so many times I wouldn't leave my house. I was scrolling through Google and I found her website. I called my mom in the middle of the night and I was like, I have to find this woman, I have to talk to her. I couldn't believe that, I had hair, and it didn't look wiggy or weird, it looked natural. There was lots of crying, it was very emotional. Meeting Jessica and having hair again is definitely improved my life for the better. It felt good to leave my house and to feel pretty again.
My name is Susan Jensen, and when I was 12, I was beaten up in the public school hallways, and a lot of my hair was ripped out of my head and never grew back. Now when I look, it reminds me of the person I once was before that junior high school attack. This is pretty much how I used to wear my hair.
How does it feel?
Number one, they're easy because I'm really lazy. All you do is just put it in, clip it on, and you're good to go. You don't have to really do anything with your hair. It's designed just for me. I love it. I would recommend it to anybody.
I have come to Jessica and it's been like a gift because Jessica is the absolute best at what she does. She is not only the consummate professional and gets it right, gets the color perfectly, the texture, and makes the whole experience fun, but she is also just the nicest, most caring person.
My name's Corey. I'm 26 years old and I was diagnosed with androgenetic alopecia 2 years ago. She seriously has absolutely changed my life 100%. Sorry. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
No, they've changed my life too, believe me.